welcome back to my channel. My name is Corietips and today I am relaxing my hair. I'm really happy to do that. I've had my braids on for like ages, let me say 7 weeks or thereabouts, and I am so happy to be relaxing it. I loosened it and because I'm at home, I decided to relax my hair myself because it's the lockdown quarantine season, so we're at home and we're practically going to be doing most of the things by ourselves, isn't it? So let's go into it. So I'm going to part my hair into 4 places and I'm going to be using this olive oil hair relaxer. I'm using 2 packs and I'm going to mix it together and relax our hair. So I've cut my hair into 4 places, so I'm just going to prep the hairline with some olive oil and shea butter. I have shea butter in this container, so I like to put it so that this area, your hairline is quite soft, so you want to make sure that these are the areas that you sweat the most, so you want to make sure that you prep it with some ointment oil, so that the relaxer doesn't burn those areas on time. So stop, do not come for me, you naturalistas. I want to relax my hair. I cannot deal with the coarse, strong texture. I don't know how you guys do it, but I'm gonna relax my hair. I'm at home and I'm having fun relaxing my hair myself instead of going to the salon. So let's go ahead. So I'm going to be pouring my relaxer into this container and I'm going to mix it. Next, you want to make sure that you mix properly. So I already cut my hair and I'm about to start relaxing. I'm going to be using my fingers. I'm using gloves, so I don't want to use comb because I don't want it to drop on me, and I have more control with my fingers. So you're going to use your fingers to cut your hair into sections and apply the relaxer. So you just want to rub everything together. I've sectioned it with my finger. It's very hard to avoid your scalp with this one because you're doing it by yourself, but if the hairstylist was doing it for you, she'll try, or he will try to avoid your scalp. So I'm going to tie it into a knot while the hair is relaxing before I comb it. So now you want to take a big comb to comb out the hair, especially the one from the back. I want to apply a little bit more on the areas that you haven't applied, especially around the hair. try not to let the relaxer touch the tip of the hair because the tip of your hair is already soft. So by the time you apply so much relaxer on it, it will break and cut your hair. Though you might still need to cut your hair when you finish washing your hair, more like trim out the split ends. I hope you can see. I don't know what it looks like at the back, but so I'm going to comb and massage the relaxer into my hair one more time, and then I'm going to wait for like another 5 to 7 minutes before I go and wash it. From the rolling of my hair, the relaxer has already touched the tip of my hair. There's nothing I can do, but till we're out of quarantine, I'll just manage the hair till the hairstylist help me to trim it. So let's wait for about 5-10 minutes depending on how I start to feel. You know how relaxers can be. You don't want to wait too much, like for too long, before you wash off the hair relaxer. So I'm going to be using this relaxer from Trisem. I hope I pronounced it correctly. And I'm going to be using this cholesterol. It is also a conditioner by Organics, and I'm going to apply it on my hair. It's a hair mayonnaise. It will help to, rejuvenate the hair, soften it, and restore it back to normal. So guys, my hair relaxed and I'm super excited. So I feel a bit of burn like in a few places, and so I'm going to be using this air placenta. This is air placenta. It's in a glass, like it's an injection, but it's not an injection. So I'm just using 2 of this on my hair, and I'm just going to break the 2 ends and hold one side with a napkin, and then apply it on the areas that I feel like I have some burns. So what this does is it treats your hair on from the scalp, and then it also helps to dry out any burn whatsoever. So that's why I wanted us to secure especially our hairline with some hair cream or lotion or oil. So I use shea butter and olive oil, and I'm going to apply this on my scalp. So I already applied it on cotton wool, and I'm using the cotton wool to just rub the areas that I feel that I have some burns. So this is the second one, and I'm just dropping it on my scalp, the areas that I feel that I had some burn. I'm massaging it into my scalp. I really like the smell of this hair placenta. I don't know what it is made of. Can we check? I mean, it has sulfur, it has caramel, glycerine, it has alcohol, it has castor oil, it has aqua, which I think is water. So many names, but keratin. So I believe that it's good for the scalp. My hair really relaxed, guys. Like, it looks like a baby's hair. So guys, I have dried my hair, and I'm just going to oil it with the same shea butter and olive oil. I actually don't really put a lot of stuff on my hair. And I had a bit of dandruff a while back. I used a particular oil product. So I'm just going to use what I have now. So I'll be applying some olive oil on my hair and a little bit on the scalp. I don't really like my hair too oily. I look like I've been harassed, but it's worth it because I can't go outside right now. I don't want to be affected with the virus. We won't be affected with the virus because we got God, we got Jesus, isn't it? So I'm just gonna pack my hair. And our hair is banging, isn't it? I am so happy that I retouched my hair and relaxed my hair myself in the house. You too can do the same thing. You don't have to go to the salon to, you know, relax your hair, and you can also save some money. All you need to do is to get some hair relaxer in the supermarket, because I know that supermarket's still open for us to buy a couple of things. So thank you so much for watching. I love you. Please feel free to subscribe and tell your friends about this channel, Corietips, and also share the love. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.